Shores fallen, calls of war echo loud from shore to shore. Armor clashing, doom in sight, spirit sword in endless fight. Hector trembles, city weeps, fate is sealed, the battle sweet. Armor clashing, doom in sight, spirit sword, endless fight. Hector trembles, city weeps, fate is sealed, battle sweet. Achilles returns, fire in his eyes. Warrior's heart under Trojan skies. Strength and fury, no disguise. Achilles returns under crimson skies. Goddesses, echoes of pain, fields of warriors, battles slain. Fate and glory intertwine, Hector falls, immortal line. Love, victor's price, its sorrows flow. Achilles stands, grief in stride, warrior's pride cannot hide. Gods above, they watch and scheme, human hearts their endless dream. Troy's collapse, the war drums end, Achilles' wrath, the gods send. Achilles returns, fire in his eyes. Warrior's heart under Trojan skies. Strength and fury, no disguise. Achilles returns under crimson skies. Goddesses, echoes of pain, fields of warriors, battles slain. Fate and glory intertwine, Hector falls.